Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Does your living room feel like it's shrinking under the weight of clutter? From books and blankets to gadgets and decor, it's all too easy for this central hub of your home to become a chaotic mess. But here's the good news: you don't have to sacrifice style or functionality to reclaim your space. With a little creativity, you can turn your living room into a well-organized and visually stunning retreat. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 living room storage ideas to help you maximize every inch. Stick around because these tips might just transform your home life. Multifunctional furniture is like the Swiss Army knife of living room storage. Ottomans that open to reveal a hidden compartment are perfect for tucking away blankets, games, or seasonal decor. Coffee tables with built-in storage take things up a notch, offering room for remotes, magazines, and even kids' toys. But don't stop there. Look for sofas with pull-out drawers or armrests that double as storage pockets. These pieces are perfect for keeping the essentials within reach while maintaining a clean and polished look. Whether your living room is big or small, double-duty furniture is a game changer. Floating shelves are a storage solution that's as practical as it is stylish. By using vertical wall space, you can keep your floor area clear while adding character to your living room. Arrange books, plants, or framed photos on these shelves for a curated look. And don't feel limited to straight lines. Try staggered arrangements or asymmetrical designs for a modern twist. Plus, you can use these shelves to highlight statement pieces, turning them into the focal point of your room. Baskets and decorative boxes are storage heroes in disguise. They're perfect for stashing items like remote controls, magazines, or children's toys, and they come in endless styles to match your living room decor. Choose woven baskets for a boho vibe or sleek leather boxes for a more contemporary feel. Line them up under a console table, slide them onto a shelf, or keep them on your coffee table for a tidy, stylish touch. With baskets and boxes, organization becomes part of your room's aesthetic. Living room storage doesn't have to be obvious. Look for furniture pieces that offer hidden compartments to stash your stuff. For instance, a mirror with a storage cabinet behind it can hold keys and mail, while a piece of art that opens up to reveal shelves can store smaller items. Even everyday pieces like side tables can surprise you with their hidden potential. Some models feature drawers, sliding tops, or concealed compartments, perfect for keeping clutter out of sight. This tip is all about being clever and making every item in your living room pull double duty. Enjoying these tips so far? If you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more home organization hacks and interior design inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button and let us know in the comments which storage idea you're excited to try. Your support helps us bring you even more amazing content. If your TV is still sitting on a bulky stand, it's time for an upgrade. Wall-mounted entertainment centers free up valuable floor space while offering sleek, modern storage options. Look for models with open shelving to display your favorite decor, or opt for units with doors to hide away cables, DVDs, and gaming consoles. Many wall-mounted systems also include built-in cable management, ensuring a clean, streamlined look. Corners are often overlooked, but they hold so much potential. Installing corner shelves is a brilliant way to maximize unused space while adding a decorative element to your room. Use these shelves to display small plants, photos, or candles, or turn them into a mini library for your favorite books. For a cohesive look, match the shelf material to your furniture or wall color. Corners might be tricky to decorate, but with the right shelving, they can become a standout feature in your living room. Who doesn't love furniture that serves multiple purposes? Storage benches are a fantastic option for smaller living rooms. They provide extra seating while hiding clutter inside. Place a storage bench under a window to create a cozy reading nook, or use it as a coffee table in the center of your room. Inside, you can store everything from board games to workout equipment, keeping your space neat and tidy without sacrificing functionality. Before implementing these storage solutions, take a moment to declutter your living room. Let go of items you no longer use or love. This step not only clears space but also ensures that your new storage solutions are used effectively. There you have it, our top 7 living room storage ideas to help you maximize space and elevate your home style. Remember, every square inch counts, so think outside the box and embrace solutions that work for your lifestyle. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your favorite storage hacks? Share them in the comments below. We're always looking for fresh ideas. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and here's to creating a clutter-free, cozy living room that you'll love spending time in.